Hi everyone, my name is Tivyatashini Anak Perempuan Manoharan. Metric number is GA04604. So today me and my friends, which is Shalini Sivakumar, Lekha Gunasegaran and also Santhya Vishwanathan, would like to present or would like to explain more about the one of the big retailer in Malaysia, which is Tesco. So what is retail? Retail is actually process of selling goods and services to customer through multiple channel of distribution to earn a profit. Retailers satisfy demand identified through a supply chain. So let me explain a bit about the retailing in Malaysia. Retailing in Malaysia has grown significantly over the years, witnessing foreign retailers with expanded retail brands enter our country, offering a wider choices of selection in terms of brands and also style. Grocery retailers in Malaysia, especially hypermarket, started to carry non-grocery products such as home appliance. They began to compete with purely non-grocery retailers. With consumer demanding wider choices from retailing and taking on more international tastes, competition within retailing in Malaysia started to intensify. So key players for these retailers include both local and also foreign players. However, foreign retailers such as GCH Retail, Tesco Store, Aeon and also Carrefour has been expanding aggressively in Malaysia for the past year, replacing many local players from the leading position within retailing. So in the coming video or coming slides, my friends will explain more about this Tesco.
Hello everyone, my name is Shalini Sivakumar and my metric number is GA04593. So for today, I will tell what is Tesco. Tesco was founded by a person's named Jack Cohen in 1919. The first product they launched was a tea. So, do you know how does this name Tesco came from? The name Tesco came from a tea called Tess, T-E-S, that was produced by a person's name Thomas Edward. And Co, came from his surname. So from there does this Tesco name came from. Tesco is a business that offering food, non-food and other retailing services as well. Tesco expanded their services to 11 countries apart from UK. Malaysia was one of it. Tesco opened their first store in Malaysia in May 2002 and the first hypermarket store of Tesco was opened in Puchong, Selangor. Currently, Tesco operates around 49 stores, including Tesco and Tesco Extra stores. They have around 41 branches nationwide in Peninsular Malaysia. Tesco offers foods, non-foods, electrical items, household items and apparel items as well. We do able to find all the household things and the things that we need for daily basis in Tesco Malaysia.
Hello everyone, I'm Santhya Pillai Vishwanathan. My metric number is GA04686. Today, I'm going to present about the retail strategy. As a first slide, I will explain about the retail image of Tesco. Tesco position themselves in customers' mind by being associated with good quality products, goods which are trustworthy and represent good value for money. Tesco shows that they are good value for money by incorporating an everyday low price strategy and the benchmark product price with their competitors and also apply lower price to their own products. This shows that across the store to magnify that they are good value. Tesco helped to develop an industry-wide specification for hero image, a product primary display picture in a group. The key performance attribute associated to Tesco are wide availability and great online services. The brand must be perceived by the selected customer to have a distinct image and position. The brand must stand out and have clearly defined position, whereas Tesco as an inconsistent brand in the mind of customers. Using Potter's word, Tesco is being everyday to everybody was a successful until very recently when consumer had one or two supermarket to choose from. Next is about target market which used by Tesco. Tesco is using mass marketing target strategy. Mass marketing strategy is strategy to ignore market segment differences and target the world market with one offer. It focuses on what is common in the needs of customer rather than one what is different. It means Tesco did not differentiate the type of customers to serve. They serve as many customers as they can. Most of the customers go to Tesco for a common needs which is lower price products. Hence, Tesco as a discount stores, it strives to serve more customers that share a common need rather than differentiate the customers. Moreover, Tesco target consumers who get middle income with young children. However, it is still target other segment like these people who are more interested in their quality. Tesco target people who want something reasonable in terms of quality and price as well. Targeting Tesco has been adopting an everything to everyone approach which has led it to cover almost all possible segment of market. The next one is about retail location of Tesco. All Tesco stores are strategically located in which are usually located in high population housing areas or city in which result in the needs of hypermarkets for the public to buy daily essential. Besides that, having strategically located a dense population area, it also means that consumption also higher and the source of consumers are sufficient for Tesco. All Tesco stores are fully air conditioned, hence customers feel comfortable when shop in the store. To increase the shopping experience of customers, there are restaurants and cafes available in the store such as KFC's, Chicken Rice Shop, Starbucks to allow customer to take rest and fulfill the hunger. Indoor and outdoor parking lots with cover are available for customers who driving to Tesco and it's free of charge. Tesco Malaysia have a market share of 11% in the domestic grocery retail segment and have more than 41 stores in Peninsular Malaysia and plan to increase their market share. Tesco has more 6,900 stores in 11 countries. Tesco has the following type of stores such as Tesco Metro, Tesco Express, Tesco Extra and Tesco Superstores. Tesco Superstores are large supermarket which sell groceries and a small range of non-food items. Tesco Extra are large hyperstores which carry a wide range of food under one roof including grocery and general merchandise, allowing customers to complete all their routine shopping in one trip and under one roof. Last one is about pricing strategy. A pricing strategy take into account segment, ability to pay, market condition, competitors' action, trade margin and input cost among others. It is targeted at the defined consumers and against competitors. Tesco pricing strategy can be described as cost leadership. The pricing strategy is developed according to its business strategy and the pricing strategy contribute to its competitors' advantage. Specifically, Tesco pricing strategy is based on its marketing message of every little help. Tesco management aimed to reduce the cost of purchase and operational costs through economics of scales and set of others measure in order to pass the cost advantage to consumers as the main brand value. Tesco followed the strategy of cost leadership in its price strategy. It provide the lower price goods while at the same time maintaining the quality. Tesco use economic of scales and the best channel for maintain of their low price. Tesco continuously work with its suppliers to improve and make the supply chain efficiently to reduce price. Tesco will match the price if the customers is buying 10 or more products. This way it's guarantee that customer pay at the least of price at Tesco. Tesco has recently launched a new food brand at low price. Tesco has restructured its products teams to get the best offer to customers. The implications is that all Tesco stores in Malaysia should focus their efforts on everyday low pricing strategy when it's come to selling private label fast moving consumer product. Thank you.
Hello madam, my name is Lekha Gunasegaran, metric number GA04673. I want to present about merchandising strategy at Tesco. Merchandising strategy at Tesco is highly proactive and strategic area of the Tesco business. Merchandising is about planning and developing the strategies that allow Tesco to sell the right range of products to deliver sales and profit, while is managing stock levels in line with targets avoid of stocks. Type of product offered and the mix of product offered at Tesco. Tesco has a full line discount store. It offers broad variety of merchandise, limited service and low price. Tesco Cheras carry 18,000 to 20,000 SKU in its store and over 70% is food product, whereas only around 30% is non-food product. The products selling in Tesco range from food to electrical product, furniture and household goods. Next is type of promotional strategy at Tesco. Tesco uses other forms of sales promotion. Coupons are certificates that give a buyer a saving when they purchase specified product. Tesco has a loyalty card called Tesco Club Card. This is the example of Tesco Club Card. And also this is the example of coupon that given in Tesco. This is the example of brochure of Tesco. Samples are offers of a trial amount of product. In Tesco, they also provide a samples of food to their customer to promote their food. For example, like this. They promote the coffee of their as a promotion. Tesco has invested heavily in e-commerce, offering a mobile app and site for each country. In social media, Tesco uses Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest and also Google. You can search tesco.my at any website.
So we would like to conclude that Tesco will be the most preferred or will be the most favorite retail choices for all the customers to purchase groceries. At the same time, consumers also make their grocery purchases in other type of retail establishment, which may also indicate a polygamous loyalty across the various retail format. Although some customers shop around to find the best bargain, but the time limitation forces them to end up the entire list in a single store. The findings may indicate that bigger retail outlets such as Tesco is a popular choice among consumers to purchase their product ranging from bread, rice, toys, toiletries and also hardware items. Although the selection of a retail outlet is dependent on the types of good purchase, the current trend in Malaysia retail market shows that customers prefer retail that sells or that provide many things under a single roof. So what we would like to tell is Tesco Malaysia has gradually improved and also upgraded themselves to serve in Malaysia culture, Almost every household know about Tesco, and it's an established brand with good reputation. That's all from us. Thank you.